Hi, welcome to my channel Crochet Bags. Today I will show you a very beautiful bags. This bags is yellow and brown contrast color and make crochet work. This bag is made wool, cotton and silk thread with pearls and sequins and stones. This bag is very beautiful. You can use party and office and wedding and different occasions. This bag is so beautiful and amazing. I hope you will like this bags. Some bags is use of your office work and some bags is wedding and party occasions. You can use anywhere. Your appreciation and support and comments, it's very important for me. I'm very happy to read your comments. All my friends can benefit from this video of them. All those friends who are interested in crochet work can choose colors and designs by watching this video. This video helped them a lot, and my friends who are doing crochet business can also benefit from it. I'm trying to good videos for you. I need your help and appreciation and support. If you like the video, please give me your opinion. Let me know and like my videos, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye. Take care.